Mama and Baby James will read a book. Okay? The title of our book is The Ghosts Go Marching. Okay? Let's open. Oh, there, you see the ghosts? Okay. The ghosts go marching one by one, Baby James. Hurrah! Hurrah! The ghosts go marching one by one. And the ghosts go marching one by one. He's happy. So, ilang ghost ang nakikita mo dito, Baby James? Tingnan natin, bilangin natin, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 ghost dito yung 5 ghost ang nakikita mo. You see 5 ghosts. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay? Okay, the little one stops to suck his thumb. Oh, the little one. He stop and suck his hand. Oh my God, what are you doing? We're not done yet. And all they cry out for sweets and tricks. Trick or treat. Shh. Gabi, ano kami? The cats, oh, let's go to the cats. The cats go marching 2 by 2. Hurrah! Hurrah! The cats go marching 2 by 2. Hurrah! 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 The cats go marching 2 by 2. So, bibilangin natin, Baby James, bibilangin natin yung pusa. Okay. You count it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! You count 6 cats. Yay! Okay, let's go to the next page. The little one stopped to tie her shoe. And all they cry out for sweets and treats. Trick or treat. Okay, next page. The robots go marching 3 by 3. Hurrah! Hurrah! The robots go marching 3 by 3. Hurrah! Hurrah! The robots go marching. Excuse me. 3 by 3. Okay, let's count the robots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11 robots. Nakita mo yung 11 robots? Okay, let's go to the next page again. The little one stops to climb a tree. And all they cry out for sweets and treats. Trick or treat. Here. The pumpkins go marching by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The pumpkins go marching by 4. Oh my God. Okay, he's done, guys. Thank you for watching. Baby James and Mama are done reading a story for today. Ayan na, say bye-bye, guys. May sipon ako, kinakain ko na.